37 Military Hospital to see the fresh mothers and also see the little children. We want to support them, we want to give them food items, we want to give them clothes, we want to give them pampers, we want to donate wonderful things to them. Not just me, we. A lot of people are here. Rwanda Airline country manager is here, Qatar Airways country manager is here, Fletcher Foundation is here, and many others. Great people are here. All the Sudos are here, great Nigerians are here, great Kenyans are here, great Africans are here, all over the world. Americans are here. We want to make sure that people are healthy. We want to make sure that we are moving to strengthen our body. We also want to make sure that we reach out to the people and say, hey, whatever God lay your hand upon to help the poor, do it. Our foundation is all about the poor. Our foundation is all about the less privileged ones. You are okay, you can eat 2-3 times a day. But people are looking for 1 meal a day, they can't get it. People are looking for old clothes to wear, they can't get it. People are looking for old shoes to wear, they can't get it. People are looking for who can even hold their hand to move along the road, they can't get it. So be an encourager to the people. Anywhere you are, within your home, around your home, outside your home, along the street, support people the little you can. Listen, billionaires, they are in your hands. Now why I say this, the poor you see them still on the road, the beggars still on the road, some of them are very brainy, but nobody to care for them. You care for them, pick somebody up, train somebody, and change his life, and make him the next president of Africa, and make him the next entrepreneur of Africa. Do the best you can anywhere you are. Let it be a challenge to all of us that men and women need to be survived. To me and you, God bless you all.
How you doing? I'm Ike. I'm the president of the Viola Forfeiture Foundation. I'm sorry. I'm here with my partner, Denny Hunter, director of African Operations, and we are thrilled to be here this morning to walk with the King. This is a great day. Come out and join us. Don't come out empty-handed. Come out, bring something. We're going to donate to the new family today. Every baby born today should receive something. We got pampers, we got milk, we have food, and we're here to do great things in Ghana. Health as well. We want all Ghanaians to live longer. There's no reason why you shouldn't live to be 80, 90 years old. My grandmother, Queen Mother Viola Forfeiture, is 108 years old. 108 years old. And we want everybody to have a long, prosperous life.
It starts with prenatal care. It starts with making sure that mothers and babies are healthy. We want to help improve the overall health position in the country of Ghana.
We want to sensitize our people in the community we are living in. We want to walk to 37 Military Hospital to see give up to some of the women that delivered today, and from there we'll move on to converge at the Service Information Center to have a free eye test and health screening.
We may looking at it, you see the way people are falling down every day because of lack of exercise. So he has chosen today and all the Igbos for us to come and they keep fit.
To the glory of God, we have gathered here today. We are all human beings. We are all Africans. We have Americans here. We have Rwandans here. We have Kenyans here. We have a lot of great men and women around here. We want to take a walk. Remember that health is wealth. Yes, taking a walk is not just that we are showing off, but we want to make sure we keep fit. If you don't keep fit, maybe what do you call it? Diabetes, high blood pressure, and the cholesterol can even get you down. So, by the grace of God, we have started this work today, and we're not ending today. This will be, maybe 2 or 3 times every year that we want to be doing this, so that people will keep fit. You know, sometimes when you work together, you feel good. When you work together, you even make new contacts, but not just working together. One of the things that made it very important today is that we are moving to make a donation. Remember that the Bible says, go down there to multiply the world. Who are those that multiply the world? Our mothers, women, ladies. As they are multiplying the world, a lot of them have no food to eat, even to breastfeed their children. As they are multiplying the world, a lot of them have no even money to buy pampers, even the local pampers, they don't even have it. Some have no even soap to wash their clothes. Some have not even nobody to come around them to console them. So as we are moving right now, we want to move to 37 Military Hospital, to the maternity. Our focus here is to make sure that the next generation is blessed.
Amen.
That is why we are moving to see new children and to see their mothers. So as we are moving, everybody here is holding one thing or the other to support. So I say, may God bless you all. As we are moving down there, let the blessings of new children and the blessings of mother be upon us. And it is also my prayers today that those that are looking for children, as long as you have come to see these fresh mothers, God will also open your womb. And God will give you children, not just a child, but children in Jesus' name. And those also that are looking for financial breakthroughs, as long as you are coming to support these less privileged people there in the hospital, may the Lord open your ways of wealth. That whatever you lay your hands upon will prosper in Jesus' name. So let us support these people and do the best we can. And while we are moving to the glory of God, we're also going to give thanks to Ghana Military Band. They will lead us this morning with their band. I think we're not going to be tired. We'll be dancing along the road. Number two, we're also giving thanks to Flutter Foundation, my partners from America. They're also supporting very well to make sure this movement works so well. We also give thanks to all our kings, as Samuel, as Chuma, as Uncle David, all of them. Everybody is supporting the best they can. We give thanks also to Rwanda Airline, the country manager. We'll give thanks to Qatar Airways. We'll give thanks to Home-Based TV. They are supporting us, carrying our interviews and all that. We'll give thanks to all the pastors here and also chairman of Ohanes and Ghana. Everybody that are here, we are thanking all of you. Where you are coming from, our king's wives, also from Nungwa constituency, Udo Nungwa, I think he's here, and all of us, everybody here, we are giving all of you thanks. We are saying thank you. Ndogele came all the way from Nigeria, courtesy of Obi, my good brother. So I thank you, everybody. Those that came from Kofurodia, Patrick, Reverend Tony, all our organizers, everybody here, I thank you all. God bless you. So what I'm saying here is whatever you have given today or you are giving today, the Lord will multiply it for you in millionfold in Jesus' name. Don't be tired. We'll have water in the car. We'll have energy. We'll have fructose in the car. Remember that fructose is produced by myself, right? Yes, and this is 100% organic. So while you are walking, if you are tired, let me know so I can revive your strength. God bless you. Center, God bless you, sir. You left all the way from here to meet me at home. God bless you. I say, may God bless you more and more. And God bless Ghana military band that joined us. And everybody, Ghana police that have given us security, God bless you. Everybody that brought something here, whether you bring or you did not bring, as long as you are here, it is our prayers that the Lord will replenish your pocket to belong to us. In Jesus' name. Amen. And those that are looking for children, God will give you children. Amen. Not just a child. If you are looking for boys, girls, God will give to you today. Amen. And all the mothers over there have prayed for all of you. They say thank you. I also thank all the clergy, all the pastors, and everybody. God bless you all. If I did not remember to appreciate your appreciation of yourself, please forgive me. But may God bless all of us. In the mighty name of Jesus.
Oh, okay, I am good, because it's been a while I exercised, and today, with the help of Igbo Foundation, we take this work, and I can tell you now that I am back to faith. I am okay. It's very, very good.
Coming to this occasion, I've really felt so relieved, because before I couldn't really, when I stand, it's like I want to fall down. But after this exercise, I was able to go through the whole processes, and then here we are. And I really thank God that my body is now flexible. I can move.
We also thank Qatar Airways for joining us and supporting us. We thank Air Rwanda for supporting us. We thank Fracture Foundation, Yoruba Community, KBSO. Oh yes, and there we thank all our Ezudens and Sample, Eze Martina, Eze Aflawo, Eze Okuda Ebube. We thank Ghana Queen Mother Noble, the Noble Queen Mothers and Unity Queens. And oh my God, oh my God, it's Akuta Ebube. Everybody, we thank you all. And Ngwako Stacy, the only Zekarake elect over there, we thank you. We also thank Central Regional elect. We thank you as a question they do. Many others, I don't know even who I will call, mention, you know, we are all many. My partner, who didn't want to he also part of those that made this successful. I thank all my crew, all my Ugo, Reverend Tony, everybody, Patrick, all of us. Oh no, I thank everybody. Ultimate Ministry also, I thank him. And many more. Able friend, I've been Ambassador Club of Nigeria, I thank you. Ezenwaya Flowo, I greet you. I thank everybody all. If I did not mention your name, please, I'm sorry. Chief Kalisu Teleziwa, also thank you. If I am my brother, God bless you all of us. May God bless all of us in Jesus' name. Please, right now is the time of the free eye test. I think I have to go first. You know the reason why I brought her? She is my eye doctor. The glasses I'm wearing is medicated. It's not just life. It's not just shakara. You know what I'm saying? Oh, G8. You know, he always supply water to us. God bless you, my brother. God bless you.